My goal is also to hit nothing that's red. See all the crew members are red? I don't want to hit anything red. So.
That makes sense. I like that.
Yeah, that's why we were red, so I can see them. By the way, when we come in for this landing, put a little bend to your knees when we come down, hit the deck.
5 minutes. You've covered. Miles. Miles per hour.
Who's scared right now?
No.
Okay. You guys think
We're
I'm
trusting
capable
Greg.
of doing this? Okay. All right.
Hey, Greg, good job.
Oh, yeah.
We had the over-under at about 60. No?
Greg and I got a little mind meld going on here, but he's the key to this operation here. And these guys are too. Guys and gals. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. That wasn't too bad, huh? Okay. Everybody stay in the basket, by the way. If you get out, I go for another ride, and I don't want to go right now, okay? So stay in the basket. By the way, the people in the front of this